Sometimes during the day when I having my cup of coffee or cup of tea, I just find myself wishing that I had a little snack to go along with it. I'm not a big snacks man, but you know when you're having a little tea or a little coffee or a little something to wash it down now. And for me, that's where a muffin does come in real handy. And today I'm going to make a lemon muffin as a recipe that I'm trying for the first time. So all you're coming along with me for this journey. And we'll see how it turns out. I'm making it vegan, so I'm using a flax egg instead of egg, and I'm using water instead of milk. Never tried before, but you know, experimentation time. We see how this turns out. So let me get into it one time. Like I said, we're keeping it vegan, so I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of flaxseed into my coffee grinder. And we're just gonna grind that into a powder. Adding the ground flaxseed into half a cup of water. Give this a stir. And we're gonna set this aside. Next up, you wanna get the zest of a lemon. You wanna make sure that when you're zesting that you don't go down to the white part of the skin of the lemon, because that's where you get the bitterness. You just want the outer part of the rind. So we have half a teaspoon of lemon zest here. And now we want to get the juice of the lemon. And here we have a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. For the dry ingredients, I'm going in with 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, or lemon zest. I just want to combine this. Now we're going to add the wet. So that is our flax egg, our lemon juice, half a cup of olive oil, or you could use vegetable oil. And I want to combine this, and you don't want to overmix this because that will result in stiff muffins. You want some light, fluffy muffins. Don't be afraid to, taste your batter when you're experimenting, because when you bake the muffins, it's too late to add anything. So at this point, you can taste the batter, and if you think it needs any adjustment, feel free to make it at this point. Okay, so now we're just gonna portion them out into my lined muffin tray. Last thing I want to do is sprinkle a little sugar on top of each one. Okay, so this recipe yields 9 muffins, and I'm going to pop these into the oven at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. All right, so we out of the oven looking good and smelling real good. So I'm just going to remove them from the muffin tray and place them on this rack here to cool. So just gonna let these cool for 5 minutes or so, and then we're gonna dig in and take a little taste. Now for the moment of truth, and that is to dig in and check out what we have with these muffins. Just gonna go in one time, no sticking. Just going for a taste. So we have a nice crust on the outside from the sugar, and as we open it up, you can see that, it's soft on the inside, and the lemon zest give you a real nice citrus pop with each bite through the whole muffin. And because we didn't add any other flavors to it, it's literally just that nice citrus flavor along with the sugar and the salt. Real nice. I mean, of course, experiment with this. Add your own spices. Add cinnamon, nutmeg, clove. You can add some ginger powder in it as well. Ginger and lemon is also a nice combination. So yeah, this is definitely a good base to experiment with. Definitely try it. And of course, if you don't want to go vegan, definitely you can use milk instead of water, use eggs instead of the flaxseed, use butter instead of the oil, and definitely give this a try. This, nice. It's a nice muffin. The only thing left to do is to go and make a cup of tea and wash this down with it. So if you like this recipe, please give the video a thumbs up and give it a share. If you try it and you add any variations to it, tag me, let me know what you do. And of course, I will post a link to the full recipe on the website, and I'll post the link in the video description. And yeah, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.